Hello everyone. For this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to add bookmark into your document. So for this tutorial, I'll be using the document we used from the previous topic, which is the table of contents. So as you can see, dito sa table of contents, when I click on a specific topic, pupunta siya dun sa page na yon, di ba? But if I want to go back to the table of contents, I need to scroll up. So what if yung clinic ko na topic is nasa page 100? So I need to scroll up. Although there is a shortcut key for that. But for this exercise, I'll be teaching you how to add a bookmark para mas mabilis yung pag-navigate natin sa document. What we need to do is click on the table of contents and then go to insert and then click on bookmark. So let's type the bookmark name. You have to take note na wala dapat space ang bookmark name. If you want to separate the words, you can use underscore or dash. Or remove the symbols na lang. So, nasa sa inyo yan. As long as walang spacing yung bookmark name niya. Yung bookmark name niya. I'll name it table underscore of underscore contents. And then, I'll click on add. Make sure na click nyo yung table of contents nyo para dito siya maglalagay ng bookmark. So now, makikita natin dito sa bookmark, once we click, may table of contents siya. So, pupunta siya dito sa page na to. This one works together with hyperlink. So, since naglagay na tayo ng bookmark, para ma-access yung bookmark na yon, we will use hyperlink. So, I'll add a text of back to top. I'll place it on the right side. Yan. I'll select it and then I will go to insert. I'll click on hyperlink or link. And then you have the options here. Mine again looks different because I'm using Mac version of Microsoft Word. Pero yung options nyo when you're using Microsoft Word sa Windows, nasa left side yung options niya on whether to link on a web page or file or in a document or an email. We already had a tutorial for linking into a file or a web page, right? So you can check the playlist for that specific tutorial. But for this one, we will use the option of this document. Kasi nga, gumawa na tayo ng bookmark. So I'll click on the this document option. And then you have bookmarks. And then ito yung dinagdag natin na bookmark, table of contents. So I'll select it and I'll click on OK. So once I click on this link, automatic pupunta siya dun sa table of contents natin. So I'll just copy this kasi lalagyan natin lahat ng page ng back to top link. I'll paste it here for page 2, for page 3, and page 4. 5 and 6, no need. So as you can see, pag click ko nasa 4th page ako, pag click ko yung back to top, pupunta siya dun sa table of contents natin. So madali lang, di ba? So instead of scrolling back up dun sa table of contents nyo, maglalagay na lang kayo ng link with the use of bookmark. As you can see, when you click on the link, pwede din kayong mag-link using the headings. So since ito yung mga in-applyan natin ng heading, nakalist sila dito. Yan. So you have choices either to create a link using bookmark or heading sa document niyo. So that's how easy it is to insert a bookmark and hyperlink into your document. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.